And a good morning, this is Dr. Leven speaking to you from Vila Moura in Portugal. And as you have seen, Fomo5k has reached beyond its 10,000 members. These are paid members, these are active members in the system. And so a big shout out, a thank you, congratulations to all Fomo5k members, because without the members this could not be possible. And obviously big congratulations to the elite team members, because we make up 2/3 of more than 66% of the entire membership, and thank you to all the elite members. Now obviously also thank you to the people at Fomo5k, and in particular to Sam, who's been an incredible support to our team. So we're very proud, very happy, very thankful to be involved. And one of the recent teams, now we have had teams in Poland and a number of teams in other places who have built incredible teams within our team. And one of those teams, when you look here, just recently placed there, that we're up to a member 10,119. That is indeed a wow. Well, for a big part, this is due to and thanks to the group Viva Italia, I call them, and I congratulated Claudio on this, and he says it is because we've got a great leader. And indeed, the great leader of the Italian group is Andrea from Italy. So congratulations, Andrea, congratulations, Claudia, congratulations to the entire team in Italy, which is nothing but short and remarkable. This is where it all started. And I'm going to zoom in there for a moment, but first take a look at this beautiful structure. So here is the first position. Then as we scroll up, there goes the second position that you can see has this, like a Roman army, another part, and another part which is already building its next level on down. That's how far the team reaches. Now let's go south or down and see it the other way. Yeah, there it was. So here it is. Down below we got this beautiful umbrella, another beautiful umbrella, another beautiful umbrella, and another beautiful umbrella. So that's how incredibly beautiful this team is being built. And let me now zoom in. Let me see. Yes. Andrea is saying good morning. He doesn't know he's being recorded. Hi Andrea, you're live. You're becoming viral, my friend. So there it is, 9738. That's where it started. So indeed, 9738, that's like I said, where it started. And then here is the beautiful structure. See, it goes up to 9799. Under 9799 is two positions, 9803 and 9802. Under 9802 is two positions, 9812 and 9810. Underneath 9810 is two positions, 9822 and 9825. Underneath 9822 is two positions, 9848 and 9849. And then you see how we're coming now at the very recent build today, as a matter of fact, on this Monday, April 27th. 9902 already has two positions under it, 10,085, 10,088. And then 9003 has 10,089, 10,090, and so it continues. So they've just come here now to 10,015, and I bet as I'm recording this, they're probably already further filling this up. So Roman army build, fantastic, beautiful to see it. We have a number of other members. Marcin is one of the incredible people in Poland who, not just with Polish people, but from around the world, who also has built an unbelievable structure. It is humongous in size. So that is people who built their team within our team of the elite team, the 237 team. When I go here for a second, you're gonna see this load up. We have 6,618 people now in the team, and we're filling on the 240 position, and soon we're going to be filling on the 239 position. So anyways, this video is a shout out to the Italian team, a shout out to Andrea with his incredible team there. To all the Italian people, I salute you. You guys are the Corona champions of the smart contracts. Truly, I'm delighted for you. Beautiful to see it. Beautiful to see it. Thank you.